Converting euros to cryptocurrency on bitwala can be done in several ways, but there is a method that maximizes efficiency while minimizing fees. Bitwala allows direct euro deposits through SEPA transfers. Once the funds arrive in your account, the key is to use the integrated trading interface rather than external exchanges. This interface provides a near-instant conversion from euros to major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The main advantage is that bitwala's trading spreads are lower than many other platforms, and there are no hidden deposit fees. The trick involves timing and understanding bitwala's pricing model. Cryptocurrency prices fluctuate continuously, and bitwala updates its conversion rates in real time. By monitoring the platform and executing conversions when the euro-to-crypto rate is favorable, users can optimize their returns. Setting up recurring or manual purchases at strategic intervals ensures that you do not convert all funds during temporary spikes or dips. Another important aspect is avoiding unnecessary network fees. When converting euros to crypto on bitwala, withdrawals in cryptocurrency may incur standard blockchain transaction fees. Keeping conversions within bitwala's ecosystem until the point of transfer can save money, especially for smaller amounts. Additionally, using bitwala's limit orders can further enhance efficiency. Instead of converting euros at the current market rate, setting a limit order allows the conversion to execute only when the cryptocurrency reaches a preferred price. This strategy reduces losses from sudden market movements and secures better value per euro. By combining careful timing, limit orders, and internal account management, bitwala users can convert euros to cryptocurrency efficiently while minimizing costs. This method ensures that more of your euros end up as crypto rather than being lost to fees or unfavorable rates, giving you a practical advantage over standard conversion practices.